Finding a powerful graphics card under $100 in 2024 is a challenging feat. The market primarily focuses on mid-range and high-end options, leaving the budget sector with limited choices. However, there are still some viable contenders for basic computing needs and casual gaming. Here's a deep dive into 5 such graphics cards tested and analyzed by experts. Number 1. MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1034 GB GDDR4 strengths. This card offers the most VRAM, 4 GB on this list, crucial for handling moderate texture resolutions in games. It also supports DirectX 12 and HDCP, ensuring compatibility with modern displays. Weaknesses. The GT 1030 struggles with demanding titles. Expect low frame rates and potential stuttering at higher resolutions. Expert experience. This card is suitable for basic tasks like video playback and light gaming on low settings. Don't expect smooth performance in AAA titles. Number 2. Gigabyte 2 GB DDR3 strengths. This card boasts the lowest price point on the list. It fulfills basic desktop functionalities like web browsing and light productivity tasks. Weaknesses. With only 2 GB of DDR3 memory, even basic gaming becomes a challenge. Performance limitations are significant. Expert experience. This card is strictly for non-intensive tasks. Upgrading to a 4 GB option is highly recommended for even slightly demanding applications. Number 3. Powercolor Radeon RX 550 4 GB GDDR5 strengths. The RX 550 offers a decent balance between price and performance. It can handle older titles and some modern games on low settings at 720p resolution. 4 GB of GDDR5 memory aids in smoother gameplay compared to DDR3 options. Weaknesses. Despite being the most powerful amongst budget cards here, the RX 550 still falls short for modern high-end games. Expert experience. This card caters to casual gamers who prioritize price over performance. It delivers a playable experience in older titles and esports games. Number 4. Asus GeForce GT 1030 2 GB GDDR5 strengths. This card shares similar specifications with the MSI GT 1030 4 GB variant, but with slightly less VRAM. It offers basic DirectX 12 support and HDCP compatibility. Weaknesses. The 2 GB VRAM limitation hinders performance in some games. Upgrading to the 4 GB variant is recommended for a smoother experience. Expert experience. This card is suitable for those seeking a slight upgrade from the GT 710 while staying within a tight budget. Number 5. MSI Gaming GeForce GT 710 1 GB GDDR3 strengths. This card is the most affordable option here. It fulfills basic desktop functionalities. Weaknesses. With only 1 GB of DDR3 memory, the GT 710 struggles with even basic gaming. Modern titles are not recommended. Expert experience. This card is strictly for non-demanding tasks. Consider other options on this list for even slightly heavier workloads.